Behind me is the ruin of Dunkeld Cathedral, where the government troops held out against the Jacobite rebellion at the Battle of Dunkeld. The Battle of Dunkeld was fought on the 21st of August 1689 between Jacobite clans supporting the deposed King James VII of Scotland and a regiment of Covenanters supporting William of Orange in the streets around Dunkeld Cathedral, Dunkeld, Scotland. Storming Dunkeld from all sides, this encounter must be won. The Jacobites outnumbered Cleland's men by 4 to 1. Unprotected by town walls, Cleland must secure the town, encountering 3,000 in a fight for king and crown. They shot him in his liver and they shot him through his eye. Lieutenant William Cleland comprehended he would die. He dragged his body out of sight, thus his men did not cease to fight. Impelled by duty of blood feud, for 16 hours the fight ensued. Homes ablaze, with men inside, o'er 300 died that day. Jacobites, with shot consumed, turned and simply walked away. Praising God for victory in the small town of Dunkeld, the cathedral walls stood firm. Cameronians it held. This little town in Perthshire was protected at great cost. William Cleland laid to rest, a brave soldier, sadly lost.